Assalamu alaikum students. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Miss Nausheen Arif from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmad Khan campuses and Gulistani Johar campus. This is our English recorded video. You have to take out your English workbook. Now open page number 19 of your English workbook. Hurry up students, come on, open page number 19. On page number 19, days of the week. Yes, we have to write days of the week. The question is, rearrange the letter and write the correct word. Here are some jumbled words. We have to rearrange the letters and find the correct word. And these correct words are days of the week. The first word is, what is this? Which word is this? The letters are ESA and DY, WED. Which word is it? Oh my God, we have to rearrange this. Which word is this? ESA and DAY. Come on, can you give me some hint? Which weekday is it? Here is, look at the and. Here is WED. Maybe this is start with W. So let's rearrange with me. I think this is Wednesday. Oh, yes, W is here. What is the spelling of Wednesday? W-E-D, then N-E-S. What is the spelling of day? D-A-Y, day. Oh yes, this is Wednesday. What is the spelling of Wednesday? Come on, write students. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, day. Wednesday. Yes students, the next word is, which word is it? I don't know. The letters of this word is T-R-Y-B-U-S-H-A. In weekdays, this word would be, I guess this is Thursday, because this is having T-H-U-R-S and D-A-Y, day. Yeah, this could be Thursday. We have to rearrange the letters. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Yes, I have done it. This is Thursday. What is the spelling of Thursday? T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, day. This is Thursday. What is this? This is Thursday. Yes students, come on, write Thursday. You have to rearrange the letters, and we have rearranged this word to Thursday. After rearranging, we got the weekday Thursday. Come on, write Thursday. Yes students, the third word is, which word is it? Come on, tell me. Which weekday is it? Y-O-N D-A-M. Can you guess which weekday is it? Y-O-N-D-A-M. Yes, I think this is Monday because this word is having M and O N and D-A-Y. Yes, this is Monday. We have to rearrange this word. M, what is the spelling of Monday? O-M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Yes, we have done it. This is Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Day. Monday. You have to write Monday. Come on, students, write Monday. Have you done? You have to learn the spelling of weekdays, okay? We have already done it in kindergarten. Let's recall these spellings. This is the third word. We have to rearrange this as well. Which weekday is it? Let's think, students. Yes. This could be. This word is having D-I-F-Y-A-R. D-A-Y, day is for day. The remaining letters is F. Remaining letters are I, F and R. Oh my God, I got it. This is, we have to rearrange these letters. This is Friday. F. You have to write Friday with capital letters, okay? Because we write weekday's name with capital letter. So write Friday with capital letter. I am not having capital F. That's why here I am using this small letter. But you have to write Friday with capital F. Okay, students? F-R-I Fry D-A-Y day. This word is Friday. What is the spelling of Friday? F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Write Friday, students. Have you done? Let's jump to the next word. Yes, the next word is, which word is it? Which weekday is it? Can you guess, students? D-U-N-S-A-Y. This could be which day? Yes, I think this is Sunday. Yes, this is Sunday. What is the spelling of Sunday? Oh, students, can you tell me what is the spelling of Sunday? What is the spelling of sun? Yes, the spelling of Sunday is S. You have to write Sunday with capital S. Okay, students? S-U-N. This is the spelling of sun. Sun. And what is the spelling of day? D-A-Y. Day. Yes, this is Sunday. What is the spelling of Sunday? Come on, write the spelling of Sunday. We have rearranged these letters and we found this is Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, day, Sunday. Which word is it? Which weekday is it? S-T-A-Y-D-U-E. I think this could be Saturday. No, this is not Saturday because there is no R. Yes, this is not Saturday. Which word is it? Which weekday is it? Oh, I know. This is Tuesday. Yes, we have to rearrange it. In Tuesday, the first letter is T. Then T-U-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. This is Tuesday. What is the spelling of Tuesday? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, day. Tuesday. Right, Tuesday, students? Yes, the last weekday is. Which weekday is it? This could be A-Y-D-A-U-R-T-S. Which weekday is it? Can you guess, student? Yes, you are right. This is Saturday. We have to rearrange these letters. Now come on, tell me, what is the spelling of Saturday? First, we have to write Saturday with capital letter S-A-T-U-R, then D-A-Y, Saturday. What is the spelling of Saturday? You have to write Saturday with capital S. Okay, students? I am not having capital S. That's why I put here small s. But you have to write with capital S. Always we start weekday's name with capital letter. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, day. Saturday. Now you have to do this exercise in a very neat and clean handwriting. After this, question 2 is copy the words in the blanks below. Then you have to copy the blanks below. You have to rewrite the words. You have to rewrite weekday's name. Okay, students? I hope you all understand, and you have to learn the spelling of weekdays. Bye bye. Take care. See you.